Good day from the Office of Mob Justice Football. Your advocate here, Advocate Ndebo. I was busy doing my research based on Nedbank Cup finals. I saw something that does raise a red flags in terms of that final between Kaizer Chiefs Football Club and Orlando Pirates Football Club at Moses Mabhida next week, Saturday. Let me break it a little bit, break the history, the retails that sells the tickets, but most importantly, this issue is on the ticket sales. I just wanted to find out of something. Please note that there's a lot of ticket outlets that partners with events so that they can be the tickets provider. However, in this case, in Nedbank Cup, tickets are strictly sold at TicketPro, as you have seen from last 32 until now when we are on the semi-final. But something triggering happened, meaning that maybe there was a meeting somewhere where there was a change of ticket sales. If you still recall very well, last week, last week, there was a photo that it was coming from TicketPro saying that the tickets are coming very soon. Please be on the lookout. And people go and share wrong information. They edited that poster. They say, yes, tickets are coming out. And all of us, we were aware that these finals tickets are going to be sold at TicketPro, because even TicketPro did communicate with us that tickets are coming very shortly. What raises a point there is that now it has been announced that the tickets will be sold through Open Tickets. Open Tickets, it just have a month due to the fact that I think we played Derby in Feb. That's where Open Ticket comes to place as a way of mitigating and preventing sales of the fake tickets and reproducing of the ticket, because in Open Ticket, which I don't really understand what is even an Open Ticket, it does raises a lot of questions, because Open Ticket uses CompuTicket retails, your like of ShopRite, your likes of Checkers. However, in this case, now TicketPro is no longer providing these tickets for the final. However, Open Tickets is the one that is providing that service. So, what's the secret behind this? What really is transpiring in these instances of saying that even Nedbank, as the title sponsor, has dumped TicketPro in favor of Open Ticket? Or is it because Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates, since they are involved, then Open Ticket must come and play that role? Because remember, Chiefs and Pirates are the only clubs that are using Open Ticket for ticket distributions. So I think that as well might have been some of the challenges. But my question that underlies is that why would TicketPro use their official pages to tell us that the tickets are coming? Meanwhile, they are not going to be the distributor of those tickets. When did this meeting happen where the NSL and its title sponsor, which is Nedbank, decided that we're no longer going with TicketPro, however we are going with Open Ticket? I'm not a fan, or I found it very difficult for me to attend games meanwhile I'm procuring my tickets from Open Tickets. Firstly, because it's a new baby in the market. Secondly, it uses CompuTicket retails. I had a hands experience where I went to ShopRite. When you go there, they seems not to know whatever that is happening. They'll ask which one is playing, against which one, at what time, and all those number of questions. Another point is, yesterday there was limited tickets that were released of Soweto Derby. I've managed to bought myself some of those tickets. The whole entire Greater Ivory, there was no ShopRite with those box to print the tickets. Will open tickets going to improve the sales of tickets betterly than TicketPro? Who is failing here? Because imagine the whole Greater Ivory, there's no ShopRite without papers. You go to Ebony, you go to Mall of Tembisa, you go to Borders, and not really Borders, Mall of Africa, but you don't find any of those merchandise. It's like when you go to Spa and they told you that we don't have plastic. How is that possible? What's really transpiring, to be honest? Because we do understand that open tickets is the one that is, but why would TicketPro advocate something that they are not involved? When did this meeting take place? What is it that is in for someone to benefit with that regards? I think we'll be left with many questions with no answer. But I see Vale Lapo. But this video is strictly for Soweto Giants 2 teams, because if you're not in the final of Nedbank Cup, there's no need for you to comment in this video.